If you're planning to start a business in Montana, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Montana even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now the question is, why choose Montana for your LLC? Montana is a smart choice for business owners looking to save money and keep things simple because, for one, you have tax advantages, which means more of your hard-earned money stays in your business, low costs, making it one of the most budget-friendly states to form an LLC, and of course, a business-friendly environment. Montana supports entrepreneurs with streamlined online filings, strong local resources, and a growing network of a small business support. After that is choosing a name for your Montana LLC. Now, you want to make sure that your LLC name should be unique, and you need to avoid restricted words like entity or corporation, partnership, bureau, government, or bank. And it should include limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. And of course, you want to make sure to check the Montana Secretary of State Business Search page to see the availability of your desired name. All you have to do is very simple, type in your business name, and then if no matching results appear, your name is available and good to go. But if you are not ready to file it yet, you can reserve the name for 120 days for a small fee. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is we need to choose a registered agent. Now, a registered agent is a person or maybe a company responsible for receiving all of the legal documents for your LLC. Now, they should have a physical street address in Montana, must be available during normal business hours. If you wanted to act as your own registered agent, you can do that provided you meet all the state legal requirements. But what we highly suggest is to hire a professional service like LegalZoom, more of that later in this video, if you want privacy and convenience. Now it's time to officially register your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization online. All you have to do is very simple. Go to the Montana Secretary of State online filing portal and create an account, and then you need to select the LLC name, registered agent information, management type. It could be like a member manage or manager manage, principal business address, and the filing fee is $70. All right, so once submitted, approvals usually come through very quickly. Even though Montana doesn't require it, you should create an operating agreement. An operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, member roles and responsibilities, profit and loss distribution, helping protect your LLC's liability status and avoid future disputes. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Next is we need to register for the Montana state taxes. Now, Montana has no general sales tax, but you may still need any of the following. All I have to do is very simple. Go to the Montana Department of Revenue. Now, you need to make sure that if you are employer withholding tax or if you have any other industry-specific taxes, you need to check the state revenue site to stay compliant. because you can always make sure that while Montana LLCs are generally exempt from corporation income tax, it's essential to confirm all of these state-specific obligations. Once your Montana LLC is formed, staying compliant is just as important as getting started. Now you need to make all these into consideration because staying compliant keeps your Montana LLC active, protected, and running smoothly. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Montana. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page, enter your desired business name, and if you want to skip all these and decide later, you can do that. And of course, we need to choose the state. So that's gonna be Montana. You can also provide your business email address or phone number, but if you want to skip it, click the next button. And of course, we need to choose an industry. So in this case, that's gonna be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate marketing in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Montana, from choosing your business name and appointing a registered agent to filing your articles of organization and staying compliant. You're now officially on the right path to launching your business. Forming an LLC in Montana is a smart move if you want strong liability protection, flexible management, and no state sales tax. The process, as you have seen, is straightforward, affordable, and beginner-friendly, especially when you follow these steps correctly. Whether you're starting a new business or maybe expanding into Montana, setting up an LLC gives you a solid legal foundation and long-term credibility. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.